にちは皆さん、お元気ですか? Hello, how are you? Today, we finally start studying JLPT N3 grammar. In this first lesson, we'll learn how to form 詞液動詞. This is causative. And its meaning. You are going to review lots of verbs today. This is a very important grammar point. So let's learn step by step in an easy way. The causative is used to make someone do something. I want to explain to you how to form from masu-form of the verb, the polite form. You already know that Japanese verbs can be divided in 3 groups. Group 1, Group 2, Group 3. Group 1, for example, 飲みます. In Group 1, without mas, then 飲み. Here, this sound is always vocal, i, but we must change to a. Mi, ma, mi, mu, me, mo, ma, no, ma, and we add seru or semas, nomaseru, nomasemasu. I make someone drink. There's other way to think how to form the causative. If you know nai form of the verb very well, then it's even easier. 飲みます, then nai form 飲まない. Then without nai, 飲ま, then we add せる, 飲ませる, 飲ませます. Personally, it's easier to think from nai form for me, but you must know nai form very well for this. 言います to say, and without mas, this e must change to a sound, but not a. In this case, we must say wa, the same as in the nai form of 言います 言わない. So 言わせる 言わせます. To make someone say something. 書きます to write, without mas, き. An a vocal 書かせる 書かせます. And also, nai form of 書きます is 書かない. So, 書かせる書かせます. To make someone write. 手伝います to help. Without mas, here this is e. But do you remember, e doesn't change to a, but to wa. 手伝わせる 手伝わせます. Also, nai form of 手伝います手伝わない. To make someone help. 待ちます to wait. Without mas, ち. 立ちつてと so た. And also 待ちます and nai form 待たない. 待たせる待たせます. Make someone wait. 働きます to work. Without mas, き. き to a sound. かきくけこか. 働か. And also the nai form is 働かない. 働かせる働かせます. To make someone work. Now let's see the second group. This is very easy. 食べます to eat. Without mas, then we add させる食べさせる食べさせます. Even if we think from nai form 食べない without nai, the same. 食べさせる食べさせます. To make someone eat. います to be, to stay. This is the second group of the verbs, irregular one. Without mas or いない without nai, いさせるいさせます. To make someone stay. To give up. 諦めます. This is group 2. So without mas, 諦めさせる諦めさせます. To make someone give up. To check, to look up, to investigate. 調べます without mas. 調べさせる調べさせます to make someone check, to resign, to stop, to quit. やめますやめさせるやめさせます to make someone stop doing something. Now the third group of the verb, only there are two, 来ます and します. As the third group is the irregular one, you just must memorize them. 来ます here the kanji we pronounce 来ます but here 来させます in night form of 来ます it's 来ない so in this case 来させます make someone come しますさせますさせます you must memorize it. Make someone do something. In the case of third group, there are many compound verbs. For example, 持ってきます to bring something. 持って来させます to make someone bring something. Come to pick up someone. 迎えに来る迎えに来ます Then 迎えに来させます to make someone pick me up. To practice 練習します to make someone practice 練習させます to reconcile to make up with someone 仲直りします so to make someone reconcile with someone 仲直りさせます copy or make copies コピーします then make someone make copies コピーさせます now I'm gonna tell you two exceptions get up 起きます this is second group irregular one so grammatically correct one is 起きさせる起きさせます but we never use it like that. It sounds so unnatural. Instead, we use intransitive verb to say to make someone get up. Someone を起こす起こします The other exception is the verb to sleep, to go to sleep, to go to bed. 寝る寝ます To make someone go to bed, we use intransitive verb, not 寝させる but someone を寝かせる寝かせます So please remember these two verbs 起きます to 起こします寝ます to 寝かせます Now let's practice just as the same way as the quiz. I'm gonna mix all the verbs, not like group 1, group 2, group 3, but all mixed. At first, I'm gonna show you a verb. In this case, 忘れます Then you must know which group, group 1, group 2, or group 3. 忘れます In this case, れ This is second group. Then you must form causative. This is second group, so 忘れさせる忘れさせます And you must say what's the meaning. In this case, 忘れさせます to make someone forget. 笑います to laugh. Which group? 笑い So this is the group 1. And the causative? 笑わせる笑わせます In the meaning, to make someone laugh. The first question is, which group belongs to? 片付け A sound. So this is group 2, second group. Then tell me what is the causative and its meaning. 片付けさせる片付けさせます to make someone tidy up. To worry, 心配します。The first question, which group? します。So this is the third group, irregular one. The causative form and its meaning. 心配させます。To make someone worry. To beg somebody's pardon. To apologize. 謝ります。Group 1. 謝らせる。謝らせます。To make someone beg pardon. To make someone apologize. Now a quiz time with 10 verbs. Please do just the same way as we did just right now. 1番目、遊びます。遊びます。To play. 2番目、決めます。決めます。To decide. 3番目、to check. To make sure. To confirm. To verify. 確かめます。確かめます。4番目、怒ります。怒ります。To get angry. 5番目、to be confused. To be lost. 迷います。迷います。6番目、to bring someone. 連れてきます。連れてきます。7番目、to memorize. To learn by heart. 覚えます。覚えます。7番目、to make. 作ります。作ります。9番目、to cry. 泣きます。泣きます。10番目、最後です。to save money. 貯金します。貯金します。If you liked this video, please don't forget to give me like. And if you haven't subscribed in my channel yet, please do it too. いかがでしたか？今日からいよいよ3級の文法を始めました。初めての動画、これは詞液動詞の作り方でした。詞液動詞は誰かに何かをさせるときに使う言い方です。自分がするのではなくて、他の人に行動してもらうときに使う言い方です。今回の動画では、たくさんの動詞を使ってグループに分けながら説明しました。詞液動詞の作り方だけにフォーカスして説明しました。詞液動詞の動画はこれからもいくつか作っていく予定です。次の動画では具体的な例文を使ってさらに詳しく説明していきます。ぜひ楽しみにしていてくださいね。この動画が良かったなと思ってくださったら、ぜひいいねとチャンネル登録も忘れないでお願いいたします。お友達やご家族にシェアしていただけたらとても嬉しいです。私のチャンネルはまだとても小さいです。メンバーシップやスーパーサンクスなどで応援していただけるととても励みになります。よかったら応援してくださいね。ではまた次の動画でお会いできるのをとても楽しみにしています。じゃあね、またね。